Hey everybody, it's Neil, and this is what I have here. You can't tell, it's pretty nondescript, but we're going to open this up and you can see what's inside here. There's a zillion buttons. I don't know how many there are. A lot, but let's check out what these are and how they are and the quality. So I just grabbed a handful here. So I'm going to show you them. So this one here is she, her. So this would be good for like a party or something like that. If you're going to have different people, you can recognize who's who and what they are. She, her. Here's a they, them. And he, him. More they, there. I guess those are the three choices. She, her, they, them, and he, him. I guess those are pretty much the options that there are. Let's see. There's different fonts for the they, them, but other than that, that's what they are. You see there's that font there and then that style there. But let's check out the quality of these pins. See what they are here. So these are just the little buttons that you can wear. But then look at the back. They got the little pin on there. So it comes with everything you need. So if I was to be a they, them, I'm actually he, him, I guess. They can just put the pin on. And there we go. Put it on your shirt, put it on your backpack, put it wherever you want. But good to just have your designation of what you want to be called, I guess. It's kind of cool, actually, if you have that desire to be called something specific, if you're going to some progressive party, that's good to have. So I must say these buttons are awesome. Cool. I'm not sure exactly when I'll use them, but sure I will. Give them out to people and stuff, my friends. So I like it. Thumbs up for me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.